In the French Riviera, you'll find plenty of beautiful spots, each with its own unique charm. But one of the most stunning towns is Menton, a colorful gem right at the border of France and Italy. While we were on road to Nice, we caught our first glimpse of this gorgeous coastal town, and without a second thought, we added it to our itinerary. In today's video, we'll explore the laid-back beauty of Menton and head to the another hidden medieval treasure, Èze Village. Both are super easy to reach from Nice, making it a perfect day trip. So let's get started.
तो प्रेम हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं आज?
आज हम जाएंगे मेंटन।
To reach the Menton, we took a 30-minute train ride from Nice, costing us roughly around €8. Menton is called the Pearl of the France, and a big reason for that is its weather. It's one of the sunniest spots in all of the France, with over 300 days of sunshine in a year. But we are here on the remaining 60 days. Talk about the luck. Even in winter, temperatures are super mild, around 12 to 15 degrees, which makes it perfect escape from the colder cities in Europe. And we are at the Baie de Soleil, or the Bay of the Sun. It's the Menton main beach area with turquoise water and a relaxed Mediterranean vibe. You'll see locals sunbathing, obviously in the summer, kids playing in the waves, and the cafes lined up across the promenade. It's a great spot to just sit, relax, and take in the slow life of the Riviera. If you want to feel the soul of the Menton, head straight to the Marché de Halles, or the covered market near the Old Port. It's been running since 1898 and is filled with colorful produce, flour and cheese. Because of the warm microclimate, you'll see a lot of lemons here. And every February they even host the famous Lemon Festival. And now we're gonna climb into the heart of Vieille Ville, or the Menton's Old Town, a maze of narrow lanes, pastel walls and hidden stairs. The vibe here is super Italian influenced as the town of Liguria, given it's literally half an hour drive from there. You'll pass little fountains, art shops, old shutters covered with vine growing over them, and trust me, every corner is just as beautiful. For the best views of the entire coastline and the old town terracotta roofs, climb up to Cimetière du Château. It's a historic cemetery on the top of the hill. Nothing spooky, the viewpoint is just right next to it. From here you'll get the panoramic shot of Menton, the sea and even the Italian Riviera on clear days. One thing you'll notice stairs and a lot of them. Menton's old town is full of photogenic staircases and narrow streets. Many of them are hand painted or lined with flowers. Climbing them can be a bit of a workout, but it's the best way to view Menton, and you'll be rewarded with the secret courtyards and epic views, in which Escalier is the most iconic stairs of Menton. You'll find a bunch of people trying to get those Instagrammable pics here. And after exploring the Menton, we are headed to the Èze Village. To reach here, we took a 20 minutes train ride to the Èze train station, and from there you had two options. Either you can wait for a bus which has around 1 hour frequency, or hike to the village which is also roughly around 1 hour. So instead of waiting, we took the hiking route. Even the philosopher Nietzsche used to hike up here for the inspiration, so this path is named after him. And the hike route is covered with lush green forest that gives you a nice view of the coastline as you climb up. And a small surprise, you'll also encounter this lovely waterfall close to the top. Èze is a medieval village perched on a cliff 400 meters above the sea. It dates back to the 9th century and it still feels frozen in the time. The narrow cobblestone paths, stone arches, climbing plants over the old walls, it's like walking through a fairy tale. The town was originally built as a defensive fortress, and today it's perfectly preserved thanks to the locals and the heritage groups who kept it untouched from the modern sprawl. There is no traffic inside the Èze, you can only explore it by the foot, which adds to the peaceful and magical feel. It's filled with artisan shops, small cafes and quiet moments. At the top you'll find the Jardin Exotique de Èze, a cactus garden with absolutely breathtaking views that we were not able to see because it was closed on that day. Talk about our luck again. So while chilling around this church, we found another spot that offers some limited view of the coastline, not 360 but still better. You head to the stairs above the cemetery, you have this view. Other than Menton and Eze, we also explore Nice and Monaco, and their guides are already up on the channel and can be watched here. That's it for this video. If you have any question about Menton or Eze, write them in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.